If you've received your new valve and you noticed the DLFC button is laying loose, meaning it was not installed in the drain port, you can easily install this yourself. Taking out the drain fitting, you will see the retainer inside this hole. If you take a pair of needle nose pliers and grab the outside and get it started, turning it counterclockwise to unscrew it, should come out fairly easy on a new valve. Now, if you have an old valve that's been installed for a long time, you may have a lot of hardness and iron crud, and it might be difficult to get this out. Yes, it's easier with the tool, but if you don't have the tool, this is how I used to do it for many years. I didn't even know there was a tool. Okay, let me finish it off here. It's a lot of threads, but they're not tight. Once you get it started, okay, there we go. It's out. And it has a small O-ring right on the outer edge that you almost don't even know it's there. Now we're going to put our button in. You'll notice there's numbers on one side. That's the side you want to face in the hole. And the other side is flat. And you want to position it in there and carefully stick it all the way in. Okay, until you reach the back. Okay, that's good. And start this with your fingers. Find the groove. There. I think I got it. Yes. All right. Let's go on in. Let's see. It's about as far as I can reach. Have to finish it off with the needle nose pliers. Around and around we go until it gets snug. I think it's snug. I think I had it most of the way in with my fingers. So if you don't have this handy dandy tool, which we sell on the website, it's not cheap, but you need to get that button in. Needle nose pliers to the rescue.